Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to host your website for free on GitHub pages. So in my last tutorial I wrote this code for I was teaching how to make a simple responsive navbar using HTML, CSS and CSS Flexbox. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to host your website for free on GitHub pages using that particular tutorial repository. So the first thing that I'll do is go to my GitHub, then go to that particular repository. That is the one we did in the last class. If you want to learn how to create a responsive navbar, just check for the link in the description below. So I'm going to show you how to host your website for free on GitHub pages. So when you've opened the repository, now mind you, all the code that I wrote, I already pushed it to my GitHub account. So if you want to learn how to push your code, or you want to learn how to use GitHub, just click the link in the description below to take you to there's a link in the description that will take you to a playlist talking about GitHub. So the next thing to do is that when you've opened it, you are going to navigate your way down to settings. So when you've opened the repo and you've seen your files, you navigate your way down to settings. Then when settings has opened, you will scroll down and you will go to pages. Then you click pages. After clicking pages, you are going to see this you are going to see GitHub pages designed to host your personal organization or project pages from a GitHub repository. So basically people anywhere in the world will be able to access your repository as it is being hosted by GitHub on GitHub pages. So you will come down to source, and where you see none, you click it and then you click master. When you've clicked master, you click save. Now when you click save, a link is going to be generated. Now this is the link that people are going to use to visit your own web page, to visit your website. So this is the tutorial, this is how the tutorial result looks like, the one we did in the last video that I made. This is how it looks like. As you can see, this is an offline version. This is the file path. But now that we've hosted it on GitHub pages, I am just going to copy the link that we've been given, and I'm going to make a search for that particular link in a new tab just to show you that it works. Okay, so my laptop is lagging. Yeah, so as you can see, if you scroll down, they said your site is ready to be published at https they give us a link. So if I click that link, let's just watch what happens. When I click the link, it's going to automatically open the web page, and you're going to see it looks exactly like the offline version. Basically, so you can, so this is it. So basically you can search for this particular link on any device, digi12.github.io, and it will bring out this particular result. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like seeing content like this, please hit that like button and comment and share. Thank you.